Anji, feeling very lost, tries to ask for direction from a few passerby. He couldn't speak English very well, and this caused him to face issues in trying to communicate. He was brushed aside by many people as they could not understand what he was trying to say.
The lesson learned from this performance play is that you should acquire good English language skills. So students, please remember to pay attention in Mr. Suresh and Miss Carmen's class. Thank you for watching.